Presenting TECNO Camon 19 Neo smartphone in Echo Black. It comes in a size of 16.9 into 7.7 into 0.8 centimeters and weighs 195 grams. It is also available in ICE mirror. It runs on 6GB LPDDR4X RAM, upgradable up to 11GB. With 128GB eMMC 5.1 internal storage and up to 512GB dedicated expandable storage slot. The smartphone has 6.8 inches FHD plus LTPS display. The phone is equipped with 32-megapixel selfie camera and 48-megapixel super night rear camera and runs on MediaTek Helio G85 gaming processor and HiOS 8.6 based on Android 12. The 5000 mAh battery gives a standby time of 32 days and 50% charge in just 47 minutes. The box includes smartphone, 18-watt power adapter, Type-C USB cable, TPU cover and SIM ejector tool. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.